What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on two-factor authentication on ClickUp. Go ahead and click your account on the upper right, then click on settings. Now from here under your main profile settings, if you scroll down you'll find two-factor authentication. Here you can set up this for SMS, so you just need to toggle it on, or you can use it with the authentication app, which you can easily go ahead and turn on. Follow the steps by selecting your email here, and basically you'll be taken over to where you can use one of these options. So you can use Authy, Duo Mobile, Google Authenticator, and even the Microsoft Authentication app. Now all you have to do is go ahead and install the app on your phone, and once you're in you will just say yes, I'm ready to scan. You get the code and you scan this and you set up the application, or manually enter the code from the app, and this is going to sync the app to the two-factor authentication setup in ClickUp. And that's all that you have to do. To use your mobile you need to have the business plan, and so you can go ahead and turn this on and enter your phone number, right? And that's going to basically allow you to use the SMS version of 2FA to set up it on your ClickUp account, and that's it.